Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty with Gatiba. If you're new, hello. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So it's currently super hot in London at the moment. I mean, it's hitting about 33 degrees over here, so it's crazy. But I guess it's a good thing because it means I get to do this bright and cheerful look for you. Yeah, so I recently attended a baby naming ceremony where I did this look, and I had one of the guests mention that they liked it. So I thought to myself, why not do a tutorial on this, you know? I'm thinking some of you out there might like a quick and simple tutorial for a daytime summer look. So here you go. Now let's get on to the fun part. See you in a bit. Bye guys. So I've already applied my foundation. I filled out my eyebrow, bronzed a little and highlighted my face. It's just for me to do my eyeshadow and my lips. I won't be doing my foundation routine just because I've done it in my previous video, so you can check that out. So let's get to it. I've already applied the Milani concealer stick underneath my eyebrows and on my eyelid. This is the base I'm going to use for the eyeshadows. You can use any base that's a tan or beige colour. It doesn't really matter. I've just chosen this particular product just because I've been using it for a while and I like it. It doesn't, when you apply the eyeshadow, it doesn't tend to crease. So yeah, and the price point doesn't really hurt. It's like $6. So I'm going to be taking the 168 Eyeshadow Palette. I purchased it from eBay quite a while ago, but I think it's still available now for about £15 or something. So yeah, so I'm going to take this, it's an orangey bronze colour, so it's this one right here. I'm going to take the orangey bronze colour and apply it onto the centre of my eyelid. I might just spray the NYX Dewy setting spray just to help the product pick up more. So I'm just going to take a little and put it. Oh wow, that really comes up. So I'm just going to apply it to the centre. So let's just take it to the other eye and just apply it in the center as well. Wow, this is really pigmented. I was finding initially when I was applying this on the first time I did it for the naming ceremony, I was finding that it wasn't applying that well. So when you find that's the case with your eyeshadow, it's just best to take like a setting spray and just use that to help it pick up. Now I'm just going to take this, it's more of a champagne color. It's right here in the center here. So I'm going to take this champagne color and I'm going to lay it over the bronzy orangey colour that I've just applied. I'm just going to take the NYX spray again just to help it pick up more. The reason why I use two foundations is because I use one colour for my under eye, so for my highlight basically. So I use one colour for my highlight and then I use the other colour for my bronzing or contouring. I like the finish that both give me. The Lancome is quite light, so that's why I prefer it in the centre, and then the Urban Decay, I put it on the outer rims because it's a bit heavier, but I can always give you a breakdown of those two and my views in another video. Let's just continue on with this look, or I might be here forever. Okay, so I'm just going to take this orangey colour here from my matte palette. I'm just going to take this orangey colour here. And I'm going to put it on the sides. So now I'm going to add that to the sides. I'm not packing this on, I'm just blending it in. I don't want it to be too intense. I just want it to be something that's light. Okay, so I'm going to take this same brush and I'm going to take this colour here as my transition colour. So this colour right here is my transition colour. I'm just going to blend that in. So as you can see, it's a very simple eye look. It doesn't really take much to do. I mean, really, I've just used Tutti close to the center of my eyes, and that's it. Now I'm just going to highlight the inside of my tear ducts, just to add a little bit more brightness. I'm going to take the same next spray. I'm going to take the same champagne color right here, and I'm going to apply it to the tear ducts. Because it's the summer, I want something that's going to give my eyes a brightening effect. And now I'll just be setting my under eye. I will be taking my Holy Grail setting powder, which is Collection 200 pressed powder. And I'll be using the other side of my elf brush. It's also the same color, or it's also the same powder that I've used to set my under eye and everywhere else that I've highlighted on my face. So now I'm just going to take my, I think it's the matte brush that I used initially, and I'm just going to blend everything in so it's more cohesive. Now that's all done, I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner by Revlon, and I'm going to create a winged eye. It's not going to be that thick. I just want something light for the eyes to frame it. So I'm just going to take this product here. I'm just going to take this and create a thin line. It's not thick, but it is long. I did quite on the day. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm just going to apply my Luminous Million Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal. That is a mouthful. I don't think I got there in the end, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to put on a generous amount, just because in the day I didn't wear any eyelashes. I mean, I will today wear some eyelashes, just so I can show you the look with eyelashes and without the eyelashes. So there's that. And just for the other eye. Enough. Now I'm just going to apply mascara to my under eye. I'm not going to put too much. And for the final part, I'm going to apply Revlon lip butter in Tutti Frutti. I'm just going to put it in the center. Just like a top coat, I'm just going to put on the Colourpop lip gloss in Cabana Boy. I just want it for the center, just to highlight and make it really glossy. So this is the finished look. It's quite simple. It didn't take too long. I mean, I love it. It's just looks natural. It's simple. It's something that doesn't take too much time. You can wear it for any event, really. You know, if you're going for the more natural look. Now I'm just going to go off camera and apply some lashes with it, and I'm just going to apply something that's not too heavy, just because I'm still trying to keep it light, girly, you know, summery, daytime look. So I'm just going to go off camera and I'm going to go and apply that on. So guys, here it is with eyelashes. I'm just going to give you a quick close-up of the eyeshadow. And I've also got a clip of what the makeup looks like at daytime, because sometimes when you're inside and it can be dark and you've got different lightings, it's not possible to see the true pigmentation of the eyeshadow. So I've got a clip here of me outside. And yes, I did have my hair wavy on the day, but it was just simpler, quicker for me to just keep my hair as it is. I could give you the whole look with a hair routine, also a hair tutorial on how I got my hair wavy. So let me know down below if you'd like me to do that. So yeah, that's it. That was pretty quick. That was pretty simple. I love this look. It's a look that I'd wear even during later in the year. You can wear this for an evening out. I mean, it's not something that just has to be for the summer period, but it's quick and it's simple. So if you enjoyed it, please like, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.